Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure the TV is online and signed into its platform account. This allows updates. Once done, press Home, then open the App Store or Apps pane. Navigate to Installed or My Apps to find YouTube. Don't search broadly yet, go straight to the app entry. This ensures you're updating the correct package and can see the current version. If the store shows an update button, you're ready to proceed. If not, continue to the next step to force an update check. Select the YouTube app entry and choose Update or Check for updates. You're telling the store to fetch the latest package. Allow the download to run. It may take a few minutes depending on your connection. While it downloads, make sure other heavy streaming is paused so bandwidth is available. Once installation finishes, open the app but don't dismiss initial prompts. Watch for permissions or sign-in requests. If the store showed no update, clear the app cache or force, stop the store app and run the check again. After updating, sign back into YouTube and test playback, search, and cast features to confirm success. If something looks off, first reboot the TV and relaunch the app. That often resolves leftover state issues. If the update fails, clear the YouTube app cache or the System App Store cache, then retry the update. As a last resort, check for an OS firmware update. Older smart TV systems sometimes block new app versions until the platform is upgraded, so make sure your TV software is current.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.